Ya kene ke jingelang jong ke Business Advisory Committee lalum daulam phang yang Dorbar Thawan ke jela Thomas Sangma. Ha ke balawan banedon lang usumbut lampang Timothy di Shira, usumbut Menteri Rangba ke jela ba Preston Tensong, MLA nak Seng TMC ba Charles Pengrob, MLA nak UDP ba Ala Kemen Romboy bat kibai-kibai. Habis keren bikin orang patai kubur hadian balawai ke jingelang jong ke Business Advisory Committee Thomas Sangma uloong bagilah syemekarai ban pendelong yang ke Dorbar Synrai kaba sngi kaban sdang nadu ka khatsan tarik batkan kot ha ka arpuar tarik Nailur ha ka balamang laisngi na gebenta ka government business bat arsngi na gebenta ka private member business ha ka baidai begejingtai ge yang Dorbar ke batamai ulampang uloong baki kam gejam gelas dang banyak caprang Mereka kila don rugi jing ek belami hang ne hang tai haga ban pen kuat iki basa na gejing kalem jong ka dom ban yo ek jing menjor ek design ke batamai hendre yakini ki ek ladap ban pendap lut Thomas Sangma ulong bu udan ek jing kermen baya ke ek jing shna an pendap hapo shisnem hendre umpat kwa ban lek kerke ba yo kin mi biang gejing ja tang namar ke jing rai kerke uletho bag design jong ka dom ka barem ka dei ke bakhia kumbalai 1000 ton Dari menta ante yaga duam hak bagajing kya kan long ke baduna bha ulampang ulong beladap ru ban kentiu ya kejing bha tengka hak kejing te ke yeng Dorbar ke batamai na ke sispa sapuai klor syaka arspa klor tengka bat kani kejing kentiu ke pisa ke dai namar balapan he syo ya ke jaka bandon ni kejing te ke batamai bat kalong ke basyongnya ban kentiu ya ke bha tengka.
So there are some technical issues which we cannot avoid, and I see that there's some technical issues, as I said earlier, which takes time, like clearing the debris, then going for the getting the approval of the designs, the new designs. But all that have been completed now, so the work is started already.
When do we expect that the construction will be over?
Within a year. I hope so, within a year.
So when will the construction...
But I don't want to do it in a hurry because all those incidents that happen, I don't want any kind of, because of the hasty decisions, we don't want, I don't want to risk any more incidents. So we're going to finish it. At least within a year, we should be able to do it, provided the weather permits. Because as we know, Shillong, we have all the 4 seasons in a day, so it rains anytime, the work stops.
What about the funds for construction of this new assembly building?
Funds are already been approved. The new revised estimate has already been approved. We were awaiting the approval for the design structures, the foundational structures, designs which has to be vetted by both the Roorkee IIT and Guwahati IIT, which has already been vetted and approved. So the work is already started.
Dome will be there?
I'm sorry?
Dome.
Yeah, dome. Yeah, it's already started. The work started.
What would be the nature of the dome?
It's slightly modified design, but it is lighter. The earlier design was weighing about, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 3,000 tons. Now it's been reduced considerably.
Sir, last time you have given the company to clear all the debris by April 15. So have these debris
Yes,
been cleared?
debris have already been cleared. The work is already started.